How many of you watch English movies or play English games? You understand most of it, but honestly, with slang, idioms, and phrasal verbs, it's easy to get lost. Hey there, this is Lindsey, and welcome to a vocabulary building episode of Bite Size English, your daily bite of English. Today we're going to learn some fun phrasal verbs that you can use in everyday conversations. Like and subscribe so you don't miss out. Get ready! Phrasal verbs are also known as 2- or 3-word verbs that are followed by a preposition or particle. We use them all the time in spoken English. They can be tricky though, because together the meaning is different than the separate words, kind of like idioms. Phrasal verbs have an added level of confusion because some can have many different meanings. For example, the phrasal verb pick up. Look at the examples and guess the meaning through context. Write 1 to 5 on a piece of paper. Pause the video here and see if you can guess the meaning in each sentence. Here are the answers. In the first sentence, pick up means buy something. The second one, go somewhere to collect someone. Number 3, answer a phone call. 4, catch an illness. And the last one, learn something in an informal way. The organization plans to beef up its marketing efforts. Can you guess the meaning? No, it has nothing to do with a steak or a hamburger. To beef up means to increase or improve something. Make it more interesting. Here's a fun one. Drink up. This one's easy. It means to finish your drink. Here it is in context. Drink up. Our flight is boarding. Wipe out is a phrasal verb with multiple meanings. It can mean to destroy completely, to fall down badly, or to make someone really tired. Chill out is a cool phrasal with a couple meanings. I'm going to chill out after work today, meaning relax and have some me time. You can also chill out with friends and relax and chat with them. If someone is losing their temper or overreacting, you could always tell them to chill out. You're saying, calm down or don't get upset. Do you know a phrasal for trying to make someone happy? It's cheer up. When I'm sad, my dog Percy and I go for a nice walk in the park, and it always cheers me up. When you're feeling sad or off, what cheers you up? Makes you happy? Tell us below in the comments using cheer up. When you end a relationship, you break up. And sometimes that can cause a person to break down. If you break down, you lose your emotions and you can't control them. If you break up, it can be hard. And it means to demolish, like this. Whoa, those phrasal verbs take a lot of work. Remember, phrasal verbs require use, practice, and repetition, and repetition, and repetition. Start a phrasal verb log with all the phrasal verbs we have included in our videos. For more on phrasal verbs, you can watch episode 7. Remember to tell us what cheers you up in the comments, and like and subscribe if you're learning. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn for more language tips and new content that includes phrasal verbs. That's all for today. See you soon on BSE.